In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively compose and send an email using HostGator Webmail in a way that keeps your recipients' email addresses confidential. Whether you're sending a quick update to a few contacts or reaching out to a larger group, it's essential to maintain privacy and make your communication as streamlined as possible. Let's dive in and explore how to do exactly that with HostGator Webmail. To get started, you'll first need to log into your HostGator Webmail account. This is your gateway to managing all your email communications easily and efficiently. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox and a range of other options. Look for the Compose button, usually located at the top of the interface. Clicking on this will open a new email draft where you can begin putting together your message. Next, you'll notice a field labeled To. This is where you typically enter the email addresses of your primary recipients. Go ahead and type in the main addresses you'd like the message to reach. If you need to send this email to several individuals but keep their email addresses private, it's crucial to use the BCC feature. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's a handy tool for ensuring that recipients don't see each other's email addresses when they receive your message. After entering addresses in the To field, carefully click on BCC, which you will find near the To field or within a tab option labeled More, depending on your webmail interface. Add all additional email addresses here, one by one, or by copying them from your contact list if that's easier for you. With your recipients' addresses all set, it's time to focus on what you're going to say. Craft your email with the information you want to convey. Whether it's a business proposal, an invitation, or a friendly hello, take a moment to ensure the content is clear and concise. To keep your audience in mind and stay on topic to make your message as effective as possible. Once you've finished writing your email, it's always a good idea to review it. Make sure that all email addresses are correct and double check for any spelling or grammatical errors in your message. This step helps maintain professionalism and prevents potential miscommunications. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, look for the Send button typically located at the bottom of the email draft page. Clicking Send will send your message on its way to all the intended recipients. And just like that, you've successfully crafted and sent an email using HostGator Webmail while ensuring the privacy of your contacts. Remember, frequent use of the BCC option is an excellent practice for both personal and professional communications to respect everyone's privacy. I hope you found this guide helpful